IAS presents Daily News Protocol. In Daily News Protocol, we have been analyzing the most important articles of the Hindu. Let us look at today's article. Our first article talks about provide legal aid to under trials and SC judges. In this particular article, we have to look at a particular judgment and law called as National Legal Services Authority Act, which is also called as your NALSA Act. Under DPSP Article 39A, it is written that we have to provide free legal aid to all the people who are underprivileged and marginalized people so that justice is ensured to everybody. And again, our Article 14 also provides that everybody is equal to law. That means justice is also equal to everybody. To give effect to these two articles, we have enacted a law called as NALSA Act. This law came into picture in 1987 and has been enforced in 1995. The Chief Justice of India acts as the patron-in-chief and the second senior most judge of Supreme Court acts as the executive chairman of this authority. Let us look at the important functions of this NALSA. The NALSA organizes Lok Adalats for amicable settlements of disputes. It also identifies marginalized people and categorizes them and formulates policies so that they get legal aid for free. And the other point is they provide legal service aid in both civil and criminal cases for the poor and marginalized people who cannot go to the courts and who find it expensive. Who can avail these services under this act? Women and children, persons with disability, members of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, industrial workmen, persons in custody, victims of natural disasters, ethnic caste violence, industrial disasters, victims of human trafficking, beggar, and persons with annual income of less than 1 lakh rupees as notified by the central and state governments. Remember, in this year exam, we have got an important prelims question from this particular aspect. Let us look at a mock question. Consider the following statements with respect to the NALSA. The NALSA is a constitutional body which provides free legal services to eligible candidates. The Chief Justice of India is patron of chief of NALSA. Comment your answer in the comment box below. Let us look at our second article for the day. We all know that there is a Citizenship Act 1955. Now, there has been many amendments to this particular act, but we will look at Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 in particular. What does this act talk about? This act objectifies that the Hindu, Sikh, Jain, Buddhist, Parsi and Christian communities from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan will be provided with citizenship. Now, you have to remember that the only community missing in this particular section is Muslim community. And those from this community who have come to India till December 31st, 2014 and who have been facing religious persecutions will be awarded citizenship for this particular amendment. This act also provides that those who have stayed 12 months before their applications and for 5 years of the previous 8 years. Previously, the Act provided that the 12 months before their application and for 11 years of the previous 14 years. Will all the people live in all the states get the Citizenship Amendment? No. There are few exceptions to this particular bill. This states that all the areas from 6th schedule, that is Tripura, Mizoram, Assam and Meghalaya are exceptional. And also all the areas with inner line permit are also exception in this particular act. Let us look at the third article. This particular picture is from a place called RAKHIGARHI. Does this place strike a chord with you? Yes, this is an important place from Indus Valley civilization. This is a map of Indus Valley civilization and RAKHIGARHI is present here in Haryana. RAKHIGARHI is the largest Harappan settlement in Indian subcontinent. Here, recent excavations will provide us with the information of the origins of Indus Valley civilization and their food habits. This place has been occupied from 6000 BCE, that is your pre-Harappan phase, to 2500 BCE. This particular site has been excavated by the person called Amarendranath of Archaeological Survey of India. At this place, the following items have been found: fire altar, parts of the city wall, drainage structures, and as well as hoard of semi-precious beads. If you look at this particular map, there is a river flowing through here. This place is present on the river called Ghaggar. Now you have to remember that almost every year we have a question from Indus Valley Civilization, and this question is from a previous year question of 2013. Which of the following characteristics of the people of Indus Valley Civilization? They possess great places and temples. They worship both female and male deities. They employed horse-drawn chariots in warfare. Read the question again and give your answer in the comment section below. We will come up with another interesting session of DNP tomorrow. Thank you.